Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Adult English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student. Our today's topic is competency-based question answer from chapter 12. Dear students, take your textbook in your hand. Open page number 83. Look, there is the greenhouse, and from here with this page, that means page number 84 to this page number 86, we will solve some competency based question. So dear students, follow the class with your book, take your CW copy with you and follow the class. So let's start the class, and this is the lecture number 8, and this is you will get homework. This will be your homework number 7. The name of the chapter is climate change. The first question, competency based broad question, is greenhouse made in cold countries. It is made up of glass. Why the inside of greenhouse remains warm? Explain. Answer of the question will be, greenhouse is a house made of glass. It helps to keep plants warm and alive in extreme cold weather. Earth's atmosphere also acts as a greenhouse. This atmosphere is layers of air that surrounds Earth's surface. At day, the sun rays fall on the surface of Earth through the atmosphere. So, land heats up. At night, Earth's surface cools by releasing the heat back into the air. But some of the heat is trapped by the gases in the atmosphere and further warming the earth. This effect is called greenhouse effect, and for this effect the inside of greenhouse remains warm. Dear students, greenhouse is a house made up with glass. The sunlight and heat can enter through the glass house. That means the heat can enter, but the heat can't go outside. With this importance, with the heat, the plant can grow in the extreme cold weather. But the carbon dioxide and water vapor in the atmosphere act like the greenhouse. That means it also traps some heat of the sunlight. That heat is warming our weathers. That means it causes global warming, and this effect is called greenhouse effect because the gases act like the greenhouse which is built in the cold weather countries. Dear students, let's start our second CBQ. Our second CBQ question is, climate change is a natural phenomenon. How do climate change mitigation and climate change adaptation related to each other? Explain. Dear student, we have discussed about climate change mitigation and climate change adaptation when we discussed the class. Now, climate change mitigation is the prevention measure to the climate change, and climate change adaptation is the adjustment measure with the changing situation. That means they are related to each other. Both are related to climate change, and one is preventive, another is adjustment. So come to our answer. Through climate change mitigation and climate change adaptation, reducing the effect of climate change, both of them confront the risk of climate change. various mitigation efforts have taken by different countries to reduce climate changes, like reducing carbon dioxide emission, decreasing the use of fossil fuel such as coal, oil and natural gas. Various adaptation efforts also have been taken to lower the risk against actual or expected climate change effects, like changing our lifestyle, developing houses, schools and factories, etc. So, both climate change mitigation and adaptation process are related to each other. Now, students, come to our third question. The question is, this is also broad question, the previous one also broad question. The question is, what is greenhouse? Name a greenhouse gas. Write down 3 activities that we should do to prevent climate change. That means we have to say what is greenhouse, that already I have discussed when we discussed question number 1. Name one greenhouse gas. There in your book there is name of 2 greenhouse gas. One is carbon dioxide, another one is water vapor, and you can write any one of them, otherwise you can follow my class also. Write down 3 activities that we should do prevent climate change. That means it also related to climate change mitigation and climate change adaptation. Now come to the answer. In cold countries, people use glass made house to cultivate green vegetable. This type of glass made house is called greenhouse. The name of greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide. Dear student, you can write here water vapor also. 3 activities that we should do to prevent climate change are: first one is to use renewable energy such as solar energy and lessen the use of coal, petroleum and natural gas. Second one is to use electricity, gas, etc. as less as possible. There will be a comma. And last one is most important, to plant more trees. Dear student, I hope you have understood that what is greenhouse, and you can you know the name of greenhouse gas. You can write carbon dioxide or water vapor, and the 3 measures that are to use renewable energy such as solar energy and lessen the use of coal, petroleum and natural gas. Second one is to use electricity, gas, etc. as less as possible, and last one is to plant more trees. Dear students, not only learn this one, you also follow this rule in your daily life. Dear students, there is some homework for you, that is homework number 7. You have to follow the class and you have to solve the CBQ number 1 and 2, and you have to submit on Sunday. That means this one and this one is your homework. I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can call with me. You can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Learn the question answer, keep practicing, do the SW, because you will get marks on the basis on your SW, CT, diary and SBA marks. Abide by your parents, stay safe. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.